To swap the SD card or clock battery on the Airviz VOC combo monitor, the sensor needs to be removed from the case. The core is held in place by a foam strip and needs to be first twisted, then pulled out to access the SD card or clock battery. The provided extraction tool helps with this. Insert the tool into the device and twist counterclockwise until the core clears the foam strip. Some force may be required to get it moving, but be careful not to overdo it. When it is twisted far enough to clear the foam strip, reach in and slowly pull out the core. It does not need to come out completely, just enough to be able to access the SD card and battery. Both can simply be pulled out. If the clock battery is low, replace it. It has a small ledge at the bottom that can be grabbed with a fingernail, but it can be difficult to grab and some patience may be required. Non-metallic tweezers or a toothpick can be used to help the process. After the replacements, slide the core back into the case and finally twist it back into place clockwise.